How to fix Facebook friend request icon missing. So first is to go to your Facebook application and then tap the menu icon or the three horizontal lines found on the upper right corner. Then select the gear icon, which is also found on the upper right corner. Then under Preferences, you will see this option, Navigation Bar. Select this option, and then tap the Customize the Bar option. And now in this page, you will find a variety of shortcuts, and one of which is the Friend Request shortcut. So to add this to your navigation bar, just tap the drop-down arrow button beside Friend Request and select Pin. And so that is how you fix Facebook friend request icon is missing. Thank you and have a great day.